Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put background behind text in Photoshop. I have a text and select any background, image background or custom background. Then click text down layer and create a new layer. Select the shape, right click any shapes or any image or go to file open and select another image. Then apply the same formula for this use shape. Example, I select the black background. I do not use stroke. Press enter. Click and drag on your mouse. Apply the another up to text up and down. Okay. Hold Control, select text, align middle. Press Ctrl Z for this group. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.